If your Samsung top-load washer is getting out of balance, making strange noises, or not spinning at all, the belt might be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and in this video, I guide you through testing and replacing the belt. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a 10mm socket and channel lock pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Turn off the water supply and disconnect the water hoses so the washer can be moved easily. Tilt the washer enough to give yourself better access to the bottom. I'm setting it on its back to make it easier for you to see the process. Inspect the drive belt for any dry flat spots, cracks, or other signs of damage that could cause slipping or snagging. If you see any of these issues, replace the belt. If the belt looks good, something else is causing your washer to be out of balance. Grab your 10mm socket again and loosen the motor bolts to remove the drive belt. Here's the old belt and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the drive belt, then lift up on the motor to create proper belt tension while tightening the motor bolts. Set the washer upright, connect the hoses, turn on the water supply, and reconnect the power cord. Great job on giving your Samsung top-load washer a new lease on life. We'd love to hear how your repair journey went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you'd like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. If you discovered you need a new belt or any other part, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thank you for allowing us to guide you through your repair, and we look forward to helping you on your next project.